Welcome to another episode of our YouTube series on community management. In this video, we'll explore how admins and students view and interact within the community. If you're new here and haven't checked out our previous videos, we highly recommend watching them first. Our previous content covers essential aspects such as creating your community, adding topics, and managing posts. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how admins and students view the community, interact with each other, and contribute to the overall experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest community management tips and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. This is your created community. In the left-hand side, you see the main sections of your community. The first one is Home, which is the main page of your community where you see all topics and posts. Next is Members. On the Members tab, you can see all the members who are part of your community. It displays their profile pictures, names, and the number of posts they have made. Admins have the ability to manage community members, including the option to delete or add members as needed. In the top, you have a search bar. Under My Interactions tab, you can track your contributions, including posts and comments. Here you have following filterings, so you can filter your post by topic, status, and a date for quick access. When checking this, you can see only your posts. Next is Topics tab. Here you can view and manage topics under the Topics section. You can create new topics to keep discussions organized or edit existing ones. And the last one is Creating Posts. Here you can add your post title, description, visuals, and organize by topic. And here you have some publishing options, so you can choose whether you want to publish now or schedule it. Once post is created, it will appear on the community homepage. Here members can comment, like, and interact with the content. Now let's take a look how your students can view and interact within your community. When you invite new members, they receive notification. Members can click on the notification and it will redirect them to the community page. Or members can access through their profile, Communities. And here members can see their active communities. Click See More. And again, they will be redirected to the community page. And this is how they see your community. And again, the first page is the home, where they see all topics, posts. Next is Members. Community members can see all the members of the community. Please note, members can't delete other members from the community. Only admin can delete or invite new members. And again, they have My Interactions tab, when they can monitor their engagement within the community, including their posts and comments. They also have the filtering options. They can choose by topic, status, and date. Click and activate only their posts. They can delete or edit the existing posts. So students can also read, like, and comment on your post within the community, contributing to the conversation and sharing their insights.